Hello guys, welcome to day 247 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Today I have a bad news for myself. As you might know, yesterday I were trying to work on a project which is creating AI, which is a car trying to find the best way to the finish line. I worked on the codes with Matlab, but it's not finished yet. But yesterday when I went to university, the professor has been created another project for ourselves, for the students like me. And the project is creating the blackjack game with Python or with Matlab. So as you might know, I am the master degree of AI right now, and a couple of weeks ago I tried to create a game, a online game, which was about create a question, asking the question from the users, and the user have to choose between the answers. I tried to complete that project, but it is still unfinished. And the yesterday project about a car trying to find the finish line, it's still unfinished yet, but today it's Wednesday, and I have a class. We are going to create the blackjack game. So before that class start, I have to work on blackjack game as well. So some of you guys tell me that in the comment section that why you jump from one project to another project, and the answer is I have to because today I am going to complete that project, about not completing but work on the blackjack project because of my class and at the afternoon. So after that I have to come back again and going to work on the racetrack, the car that's trying to find its way to the finish line. And after these two projects has been finished, I'm going to come back and complete the project about the online game that I were trying to create using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So welcome to the master degree of AI. This is a life of a student of master degree of AI, how it looks like. So this is not my choice. I have to work on this project one by one every day, putting time on one project. So let's start this blackjack game project. I'm going to ask help from ChatGPT because it's Matlab. I have to write it with Matlab, and I don't know the Matlab language. The only language I know is Python, JavaScript, CSS, and HTML right now. So I have to ask help from ChatGPT or Talk AI as well. Talk AI is a ChatGPT website as well, but it gives me the answers more faster, so I like it. Although it's working on the ChatGPT 3, but it is still a good website. One thing is that I don't know the rules for blackjack game. I never played blackjack game or something like that. I really don't like this kind of games like poker, like blackjack, but right now I have to like them because it's my project. So let's find the rules for blackjack game. I don't know anything about it. Blackjack game rules. God damn this errors. Last week the professor gave us some of these rules, but I didn't get it so accurately. I know that we have to there is a dealer, okay, there is a dealer. That dealer give us 2 cards, I think, and maybe 2 cards at the first, I think, and we have to check if the card is going to be near, the numbers in the cards are near of the number 21, and if the number is going to be more than that 21, we are going to be a loser. And if there's a 2 player, okay, if the player 2 is more the number he or she have in his card or her card is more than mine, it's still he's going to be winner. I don't know how to explain this when I don't even know the game. Blackjack or 21 is one of the most popular card games played in our casino. It is easy to learn and exciting to play. We provide 2, 6, and 8 deck 21, where the cards are dealt from a box called the show. I hope I spelled this right. In blackjack, everyone plays against the dealer. Players receive all cards face up, and the dealer's first card is face up and the second is face down. In blackjack, everyone plays against the dealer. Okay, so there is no the second player. We just face a dealer. Players receive all cards face up, and the dealer's first card is face up and the second is face down. The object of the game is to get closer to 21 than the dealer without going over 21. If a hand goes over 21, it's called a bust or brick, and the wager is lost. In 21 game, jacks, queens, kings, and tens count as 10. I don't get this. There might be cards that are having the number 10, right? Jacks, queens, kings, and tens count. Does we have a card that called tens? What is tens in drugs? What is tens in black in 21 game? Let's ask the ChatGPT. What is the tens in blackjack game? The value of tens is 10 points, along with all face cards. Jack, queens, kings. Jacks, queens, kings are worth 10 points. Okay. Where we was? When you receive your first 2 cards, you may either stand or hit. When you stand, it means you feel you are close enough to 21 and no longer wish any additional cards, and indicate by waving off with your hands. If you wish to receive another card or hit, tap or scratch the table. If you wish to receive another card or hit, tap or scratch the table behind your wager with your finger. In either situation, you will never touch the cards. Everything is communicated using hand signals. Let's see if we can find any blackjack game online so we can learn by playing blackjack games online. Okay, play. Players, this website uses cookies. Deny. So this is how much I have to bet. So like, let's place 10. Deal. So which one is me, which one is dealer right now? So I think this is for dealer, maybe, and this is for me because I have the number 4, 12. Let's see where is the rules. Let's see the rules again. Players receive all cards face up, and the dealer's first card is face up. So this is the dealer. One of his cards or her cards is face up, and the one is face down. So this blue one is the face down. The object of the game is to get closer to 21, blah blah. If a hand goes over 21, it's called a bust or brick. So these are my cards. Where is the number of them? It's called 12, right? 12 right here, but how can I know it's 12 by seeing the cards? So I have 12, I say hit. I have 13, hit. Ooh. 22. So it's just luck. 7 by 14. By 4 it's 11 and okay. Let's play a game, another game. We lose some bets here. 20. maybe 120. Deal. I have 15. Yeah, I'm not a good player, I think. Let's bet 110. Deal. Hit. Again. Deal. Blackjack. Out of luck. Deal. Blackjack. 2 times out of luck. Okay. Again. 10 hit. 20 stand for sure. Okay, I think I'm getting what is going on here. Again, deal. 15 stand. Oops. Let's bet 500. Deal. 18 stand. 1500. 500. Deal. It's 13. The dealer have 3, and I think if the dealer have other card, it's at the best it's a 10, right? So if at the best it's 10, or maybe he have a ace which is 11, but I'm not thinking that the dealer have 11. So I think at the best case he have a 10, so we are going to be equal. So let's stand. So I won. 500. Deal. 8. Let's hit. Insure. Stand. What is insure? What is insure in blackjack game? In blackjack game, to insure your bet means to place an additional wager that dealer has a natural blackjack, an ace, and a 10 value card. When their up card is an ace, if a dealer does have a blackjack, the insurance bet pays out of. Let's not think about the insure, because we don't want that. I remember in the last class, the professor told us that we don't need to insure anything here. So let's not thinking about that again. So let's hit. Okay, stand. 5k. Let's bet 5k. It is the last time we play. Deal. Stand. Oof. Okay, that's enough. I think I learned my lesson. Let's get back to ChatGPT. Can you create a blackjack game for me with Matlab and can you create a simple blackjack game for me with Matlab without feature. While it's working on it, let's create a folder for blackjack project, blackjack, and let's create a document explanation. We are going to type something for ChatGPT here, and we give it to ChatGPT later. And let's open the Matlab. Oh, okay. I'm going to create a new project, closing the last project, which is belonging to the race car. Let's close it. And I'm going to save this. To the blackjack. Blackjack. Save. CLC, clear all. Change the folder. Okay. What happened? I pressed run and nothing happened. Doesn't show me anything. Sure, Blow is a simple blackjack game implemented in Matlab. This version doesn't include the insurance feature and all follows the basic rules of blackjack. Player can hit or stand, and the dealer will draw cards according to the standard blackjack rules. Explanation. One to 10. The table have 4 sets of cards. 4 sets of cards. Okay. From 1 to 10. With face cards J, Q, Jack, Queen, King, represented as tens. The table is shuffled using this command, initialize deal. 2 cards are dealt to both the player and the dealer. The dealer's first card is shown and the player's hand is displayed. Player's turn. The player can choose to hit or stand. The player's hand is updated and displayed after each hit. You can run this script in Matlab to play a simple blackjack game. Something I saw in the help of Matlab. It's about blackjack game. I don't know what was that? I mean, blackjack. Simple benchmarking of par for using blackjack. Let's use the Google. Blackjack game Matlab. My Matlab programs shown in the sidebar uses three functions to implement basic strategy. The function hard uses the array hard to guide the play of most hands. The row index into hard is the current total score, and the column index is the value of the dealer's up card. The return is 0, 1, or 2, indicating stand hit. Card counting, the Matlab simulation. My original Matlab program, written several years ago, had a persistent array that is initialized with a random permutation of several copies of vector. These integers represent both the values and the suites in a 52 card table. The suite is irrelevant in the play, but it is nice to have in the display. Cards are dealt from. So if I copy these lines, can I see this interface? What happened to this one? Let's remove this for now, copying these codes and see if it works. Line 140. Okay. Starting parallel pool, parpool, using the local profile. Connected to parallel pool with form workers. I don't know what is this, but I wanted the interface that I saw here. How can I bring up this interface? And these are the blackjack game code in Matlab. How can I bring up the interface of the Let's copy this for now to make sure we are not going to lose it. I think it works, but I don't know how. Copy the code, copy the entire code in Matlab. Run the script. Explanation. UI elements. Labels and buttons are created for displaying the players and dealer's card there. Let's just copy this and see we can figure this out by ourselves. Let's say CLC clear all. Run. It's running. Okay, so now we have an interface. Player cards, A of diamonds, Q of hearts. Player's value. We have 20. Dealer's card, 10 of hearts, 5 of diamonds, dealer's value 10, 20. So I can say, I think first I have to say new game, right? Stand players. So this is one of the biggest problems of this game is right now. I can see the dealer's hands. The dealer's value is right now 19 and the player value is 20. I just can't see the player value and dealer value. This is a big problem. So the good thing is that we created the interface. Let's see if we can hide that dealer's value. And let's say in the code below, I can see the dealers, dealer value. Please hide it so the player can not see it. Please change the code below in a way that player cannot see the value of the dealer. This is our last try because we spent 39 minutes and my battery of the laptop is going to be low. Please not turn off. Okay, let's copy this, paste it here, save, run. Okay, we cannot see dealer value hit. The another problem is we have to see at least one of the cards of the dealers, so we are going to do this later in tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. If you didn't subscribe my Discord channel, the invite link is in the description. You can join it. It's about, we are a lot of programmers gathering to each other and we help each other to learn programming. Thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow.